Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common issue that many iPhone and iPad users face, the dreaded could not create account error. If you've tried setting up a new account and got stuck, don't worry, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. First, let's understand what this error means. When you see your account cannot be created at this time, it usually indicates a temporary issue with Apple service, a problem with the internet connection, or correct incorrect information being entered during account setup. Step 1 is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause issues when trying to create an account. Go to settings, then tap on Wi-Fi or cellular and make sure you're connected. If you're on Wi-Fi, try toggling it off and on or switch to cellular data temporarily. Now let's ensure your device is running the latest version of iOS. An outdated operating system can lead to compatibility issues. To update, go to settings, then on general and tap on software update. If there's an update available, go ahead and download it. Another fix is to sign out of your Apple ID and then sign back in. Sometimes this can refresh help resolve the issue. Go to settings, tap your name at the top, scroll down and click on sign out. Now follow the prompts to sign out completely. Once signed out, restart your device and then sign back in. And if you're still stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support. They can help troubleshoot further. You can find the contact info in the Apple website or through the Apple support app. And that's it. Hopefully one of these tips help you resolve the could not create account error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.